I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and removing the battery or charge pack. This prevents accidental inputs and lets you inspect safely. Once done, use a flashlight to look for dirt, crumbs, or warped plastic around the bumper seam because grime often blocks travel. Next, boot the console, connect the controller, and open the Accessories app to test the bumper response. This confirms hardware versus software issues and tells you if you should continue with cleaning or teardown. Now you clean around the bumper hinge using 70% or higher isopropyl and a cotton swab. This dissolves oils and sticky residue without harming plastics. If the bumper feels loose, open the controller, follow a safe teardown, and check for stripped posts or loose screws. Tighten gently and replace any damaged tactile switches because misaligned contacts cause intermittent failure. After reassembly, plug in and recalibrate the controller in the Accessories app. If cleaning and tightening didn't solve it, replace the bumper assembly or the small tactile switch. OEM parts ensure proper fit and longevity. Once replaced, run an extended button test in the Accessories app and play a brief game to confirm consistent input under motion and stress. If the bumper still misbehaves, make sure you documented the steps, then contact official support or a certified repair service. And remember, warranty or legitimate parts reduce the chance of recurring failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.